Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to install texture packs for Minecraft Java. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for Minecraft texture packs. Use trusted sources like CurseForge or Planet Minecraft to avoid broken or unsafe downloads. Find a texture pack you like and download it. Now, open Minecraft. On the main menu, you'll see your version listed in the bottom left corner. Make sure the texture pack you downloaded matches this version. Next, go to Options Resource Packs, then click on Open Pack Folder. This will open the folder where texture packs are stored. Now copy and paste the file you downloaded into this folder. For example, I'm using the Heavy Great Sword pack. Once that's done, go back to Minecraft. You'll now see your texture pack listed on the left. Hover over its icon and click the left arrow. This will move it to the selected section. Make sure it's above the default pack so Minecraft uses it first. Click Done. Minecraft will reload with the new textures applied, and boom, your game now looks completely different. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.